So this video is going to be about why we fail at our goals. Excuse my handwriting. Number one, too many things. We have too many things all at once. So I'm going to go to the gym every day, or I'm going to work out at home every day because of COVID. I'm going to cut sugar. I'm going to cut carbohydrates. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut that. You might do well the first few weeks, but then it's just overbearing and you're not really achieving anything. So you're just going to go back to your old ways. Number two, where to start? That's a huge thing. Is it nutrition? Is it fitness? Is it reading? Is it Googling? What am I going to do? Where am I going to start? That's one reason why people fail, is because they don't know where to start. Number three, small changes. This is a huge one to why people fail. They don't see big results. They see small changes. And because it isn't big, they just give up and they don't really care. So that's one crucial reason why people fail. Number four, information overload. YouTube, Twitter, books, magazines, TV, infomercials, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. They're all telling you the latest, greatest in fitness and health and how to lose fat and how to lose this and how to do this and how to get six-pack abs. Who's telling the truth? Number five, unrealistic goals and expectations. You want to lose fat in a month. You want to gain bigger biceps in 2 months. You want to run a mile in 3 minutes. These are things that are not going to happen very quick. They take time, and so does your goals. So your expectations should actually be set a little lower. Number six, and the final one, which I think is very important, lack of support. It could be from your friends, it could be from your family, it could be from whoever. People that are not on your side in this journey, and they might be enabling you to continue your unhealthy lifestyle if it's drinking, smoking, eating bad food, or not exercising. So lack of support is one reason why people fail on their goals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you.